I have 1 1/3 pound lean ground turkey. And it's still frozen. Well, you want to make a giant hamburger. Was in the freezer. And there's a 1 1/3 pound giant hamburger. The juices will accumulate around the edges, and you don't want to throw the juices out. The juices help it cook. That looks good. All right, wait for it. Time for fire. Smell the burny. Now all that yuck, I'll take it off. Easiest way is with a paper towel. Wait for it. Just grab all the yuck and throw it away. Or if you know somebody that got animals, throw in a Ziploc. Delicious. Wash your hands. I don't want to break out another tool. It's freed up. Should shake. There we go. Plate method is always the best. Invert. Hopefully I didn't mess up my table. Yeah, not bad. Perfect caramelization. Let's finish it off. Back on the fire for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes is up. I'm just going to let it cool down. I have a little bit more than an ounce of Bullseye every day. I cleaned it out. A little hot sauce and some Mrs. Bragg's. I would just stick it like that, let it drain. Wait for it. I used Valentina Mexican low sodium. I'm not a big salt person, so a little bit of that, and wait for it. I was going to go with gluten-free tamari soy sauce, and I was like, Bragg liquid aminos soy sauce. So I went for the healthier choice. I don't care about gluten-free. I don't mind eating bread. I'm not allergic, so wait for it. Shake it off. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Making a mess on my table. That was a little bit more than an ounce. And I have some Bullseye everyday barbecue sauce. This is going to be our binder. Actually, that's too much, so hey, extra Bullseye everyday barbecue sauce original. It's going to be delicious. Wait for it. All right, grains running this way. Let's go right to the center. Fully cooked, and this is going to take a couple minutes, so wait for it. I finished the rest, and a little bit more Bragg's. Oops, Houston, we were actually a little more. Soy sauce is amazing with barbecue sauce, but I spilt some, so wait for it. Bullseye every day. I have to wash it, then shake it. Could have been Dollar Tree soy sauce, but no. I upgraded. We're going to wait a minute, mix it up, so wait for it. Me, personally, way too much salt. Right, let's finish it up. It's cooling down. Chop it up and wait for it. And there you go. One of my followers is mad at me because I have to downgrade my videos. Somebody wants more food, more cars, more info. Alright, I have to put it in there, so wait for it. Wow. You've heard the term, lick the bowl. No, it's lick the wok. That is my glue right there. It's taco time. But first I have to... That is amazing. Love you. Alright. Gotta clean my bowl. My wok. Delicious. Thank you, Bullseye.